Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Cypherium wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Cypherium application from your app drawer. Once you open up your application, wait for it to get to this page. If you don't have a Cypherium wallet, you can create a new wallet by entering the wallet's name, creating a password, and tapping on next. If you want to log into an existing wallet, tap on the import wallet button at the bottom. Now, you can enter your mnemonic phrases, private key, or your key store. Choose any one options from the top and type in your key store, private key, or your mnemonic phrases respectively. Once you've done that, right next to it, you will be able to see the password tab. Set up a private key password for your wallet. Every time you restore your wallet, you will need to create a new password. Go ahead and set it up. Make sure to include letters and numbers with minimum 6 characters, maximum 18 characters in your password. After you are done, confirm your password by typing it again. Finally, tap on Start to import at the bottom and you will be able to log into your Cypherium wallet or restore your wallet. That's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.